How to level up fast in Monopoly Go. If you wish to level up fast in Monopoly Go, there are 5 key elements that I want you to understand. The first is to focus on landmarks, so upgrade landmarks to boost your net worth quickly. After that, you must also use dice efficiently, so you must roll strategically to land on high reward spots. Third is to participate in events to earn bonus rewards to accelerate progress. Fourth is to complete sticker albums, collect and trade stickers for massive level up rewards. The fifth, last but not the least, is to claim daily rewards. So you must also log in daily and claim free rolls, cash, and tokens. Also, just play consistently, complete boards, and use resources wisely for rapid leveling. I hope this video helped you understand how you can level up fast in Monopoly Go. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.